So we had a simple prompt and now this more, iterative way, so to say, to get to our article with SEO keywords, outlines, and then the article. Now I want to add one prompt that basically combines all things I need, and let's see what ChatGPT makes out of this now. So I'll again edit our initial prompt here, and now we'll add the more complex prompt step by step. The first thing I want to start with is I want to add a role and a basic task. So I tell ChatGPT that it is a professional blogger. The job is to write articles with the search engine optimization in mind. And the article should be engaging. And in this case, we talk about Apple's iPhone, about the development of the iPhone to be more precise. Next thing is to add some bullet points. And I will add these as the second core area of the article. So still we define the range of the article. We set a target audience. We include the SEO relevant keywords inside the constraints here. So we don't want to have a separate list. We just want ChatGPT to consider this when writing the articles. The years of significant technological changes should also be highlighted. We want to have different sections with subheaders, and images should be added where required. So this is one prompt now containing all things that should be kept in mind. The last part of this prompt is still missing though, and we got a typo in here. It should be significant like this. So the last section that is missing is naming the goal of ChatGPT. These summary bullet points should be the input to create this engaging article, and the article should not be longer than 1,200 words again. So let's see. And this now is a totally different level of quality, I would say. This is an almost ready to be published article. As always, your output will look different. We talked about this throughout the course, but we have really a well-structured article. We have descriptions for the images we need. We have subheaders, we have sections, and if you look at the beginning of the article, for example, you see the introduction is written in a way more audience-oriented way. Welcome tech enthusiasts and so on. This is more exciting. This catches the reader's attention. You can still fine-tune this prompt, obviously, but if we compare our latest version with the initial version we had, I think the difference is remarkable. And therefore, writing articles, writing blog posts with the help of ChatGPT 4 is amazing and can be done very fast. But still, you have to make sure that you know how to write prompts, and you should make sure that you give ChatGPT the required background information to make sure you derive at an article with the right length, that targets the correct audience, and that also covers the relevant topics. Just using write me an article about XYZ is not enough to produce quality products here. Still, it is always important to read the actual output of ChatGPT, because you probably have to fine-tune this article, but still, this is a very good starting point, if not more.